Hey guys, Nate here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Anchor Room blackout reflectors, reflector piece, and kind of talking about it and seeing if it's kind of reviewing it in a way, and just really talking about it, I guess. So let's get right into it. So this is probably going to be a shorter video because I mean it's just that it's not too big of a thing, but first off, the fit is really good. These are from Anchor Room. I ordered them on like Amazon, I think it was. And obviously, as you can see, it is, I think it's 20% tint. Yeah, it's tint, pretty sure. It went on really easy. All you really need to do is get water under it, and then you're gonna push it down and then use like a squeegee kind of thing. I'm pretty sure it came with a squeegee. Use a squeegee and then you just start from the middle and then just push out towards the edges. And then I used a heat gun to wrap this edge around. So as you can see, it looks great. And I'm pretty sure they're only like 20 bucks. So, and you obviously get the pair, and I'd say it's worth it if you're trying to get rid of that ugly orange reflector. If you're going with kind of a blackout, even if you're not going with a kind of a blackout theme, this looks really good. And I mean, as you can see, it kind of changes the whole like look of the car, because before you had that ugly orange thing right here, and when you don't have it, I mean, just look at that. It looks so much better. I love how it looks. Looks a lot better, especially in pictures and stuff like that. I'd definitely recommend. It went on super easy, everything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.